Nature sings. Ah, green dale in lap of the great Himalayas. Here the bird sings love's song night and day. Here jasmine and lavender lives along the happy breeze. And fairly fountains leap up jolly jolly. Here woodwinds play the paradisal music. With razor bills the birds of pearly seas. How handsome is this dale for penning the love elegy. Here is neither a conflict of upper or lower class, or any sort of injustice or the jealousy. How wonder the nature sings round the clock. My heart years to lay long on this woven grass. Here is complete remedy to my frenzy. These sweet melodies will live ever in my keen memory. Poet Affaq.